Hello sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na star viewers. Kamusta po kayo dito mga kapatid? So, ang reading natin ngayon is hold on or move on na sa sitwasyong ito. Okay? Kasi marami dito o napapansin ko dito sa aking mga kapatid na viewers na you guys are still holding on in this situation. So, this is all about love reading. Alright? This could be a situation na you are still with your person. Siguro may problema kayo. Marami kasi mix ang energy dito eh. Meron ditong walang no contact. Meron namang siguro you are dealing with third party situation. Yes. And meron ditong umaasa. So, again, para matapos na itong mga haka-haka or na-stuck ka sa energy na ito, alamin natin kung hold on sa karelasyon mo or sa sitwasyong ito or move on. Alright? Para matapos na, no? Para matapos na itong paghihirap mo sa sitwasyong ito. Lalo-lalo na kung ikaw ay confused sa person mo. Yeah. Okay? Kasi I'm getting the energy na hindi naging kayo. Pero confused ka pa rin kung may pag-asa pa ba ito sa relasyon ito. So, again, paalala lang mga kapatid, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate dahil ito ay general reading, collective reading. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. We have 3 piles here. Pile 1, pile 2, and pile number 3. So, bago kayo pumili sa any of these piles, mga kapatid, pause nyo muna yung video, mag-meditate ng konti para ma-connect natin or para magkaroon ng connection yung energy, makuha natin yung energy ninyo sa any of this pile para makaresonate din kayo at para maging perfect sa inyo itong pile na napili ninyo. So again, pause the video, meditate ng konti, imagine ninyo or silarawan ninyo yung person ninyo ngayon and tanungin nyo sarili ninyo or tanong nyo sa baraha or in this reading, move on or hold on na or ano na ba talaga ang connection na ito. Okay? So, I hope na nakapili na kayo. So, move on na tayo. Let's start sa ating pile number 1. Tabi natin itong mga baraha. Okay? If ever na mahina yung volume, again, pakilakasan na lang ng volume. Kasi iba-iba yung ng cellphone natin. May iba mahina. Yung iba naman masyadong malakas na. So, depende pa rin sa cellphone ninyo or sa headphone, ano? So, diretso tayo sa mensahe ng message ng person mo, ano? And then later, alamin natin kung ano ba yung resulta. Okay? Hold on or move on. And then later on, the advice from the universe in this connection. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, I'm sorry. Meron itong parang gusto ng mananapak, Guys, relax lang, ha? Relax lang kayo. Meron dito naiinis na. I'm not sure kung naiinis ka ba sa this video or naiinis ka sa sitwasyong ito. Kaya parang gusto mo nang mananapak or sapakin itong person mo. Gigil na. Alright, so relax. Relax lang kayo. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, ano ang gustong malaman ng ating viewers? Pile number 1 from their person and their mind. Ang tao nila. Okay? Anong gustong malaman nila at this moment? I'm stuck. So, your person is stuck. Ano pa? Someone wants to help you. Wow, ito ay naligaw. May naligaw dito na mensahe. Again, someone wants to help you, mga kapatid. Your person might want to help you. Maybe your person is concerned about you. Or this could be you. Kasi minsan, guys, nagkakapalit-palit yung energy. This could be your energy or your person's energy. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaresonate, okay? I'm stuck. Someone wants to help you. You're not easy to love. So again, I'm also getting like your person is having struggle. Nagkakaroon ng struggle yung person mo when it comes to loving you. Siguro ikaw itong tao na yung pinapakita niya na lahat pero hindi ka pa convinced. You know. So that's also the energy to some of you here. Parang ito gustong lumabas. I have a plan for us. So your person is focusing on planning for the future. So may plano siya, may paplano yung person mo for the future. for both of you. Okay. Ano pa? Alright, hold on. Okay. Ano pa? I'm getting like someone is like, meron ito sa inyo na physically abusive, ano? I'm getting that energy. Alright. Ano pang gusto mong malaman from this person? Anong gusto niyang iparating or sabihin sa iyo? Kailangan natin ng closure. So your person is stuck, okay, about this connection. Maybe meron ditong wala ng komunikasyon or nagkaroon ng hindi magandang breakup, and maybe the two of you needed this closure. Okay, ano pa? Wow. Bakit ang hirap mong kalimutan? So again, ang hirap mong kalimutan, your person stuck on still thinking about you, hindi pa nakapag-move on, whatever it is, kasi meron ditong may mga hindi magagandang pangyayari na your person still holding on into that situation. Maybe nasaktan mo siya. Again, nakakuha ko ng physical abusive dito. Yeah. Nalala mo pa kaya ako? Do you still remember me? Minahal mo ba talaga ako? So again, merong confusing meron sa inyo na binigay mo na lahat, pinaparamdam mo na sa kanya lahat-lahat, pero your person still questioning, mahal mo ba talaga ako? Or minahal mo ba talaga ako? Yeah. So, meron ditong past and current situation na sa ating pile number 1. Age doesn't matter. So, we have here also questioning about sa edad. Maybe there's a big gap ng inyong edad. Okay? So, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Meron itong younger and older. Yeah. Alright. So, alamin na natin. Move on na tayo, no? Hindi natin habaan itong reading na ito. Pile number 1. So, alright. Spirit guide angels, hold on or move on. So, pagkang lumabas dito is yes, meaning hold on, kapatid. Pagka lumabas dito is no, meaning move on na. And then, alamin natin kung bakit. Yeah. Spirit guide angels, for pile number 1, whoever the person that they're thinking right now, hold on or move on. Yes or no? Alright, yes. There's so much love between the two of you. You might be dealing with your soulmate right now. Partnership, unity. Meron dito magtatagpo or makikitang muli. Or maybe you are the two of you. You might be, maybe you are marriage. Siguro you are dealing with your partner right now. Your husband or a wife. Okay, so again, mixed energy tayo dito. Merong ex and meron din current partner. Yes, so there's so much love between the two of you. Even if right now, yung iba sa inyo dito, may gap na, siguro, may separation sa inyong dalawa. Again, your person still thinking about you. Yeah. Reminiscing from the past, naalala mo pa kaya ako? Siguro matagal na kayo hindi nakikita. Or, yung kabataan mo pa, yeah, you might dealing with your person from the past na during your younger years, and your person thinking na, I wonder if pile number 1 still thinking of me, or naalala pa kaya niya ako. And to some of you still thinking about the closure. Yeah. And again, pagka meron kasi ditong pile number 1, even if you two are no longer in a relationship, hindi na kayo ngayon, you still deserve closure. Kasi minahal nyo yung isa't isa. May respeto dito. Again, kailangan talaga ng proper ending for both of you. So yes, hold on. And darating ang panahon na kayo ay magkukross ang landas ninyong muli ng person mo. Pile number 1. Okay? So alamin pa natin. Okay? So again, soulmate. You might be dealing with your soulmate. There will be a harmony, balance, connection, marriage, engagement, or your person might, again, your person is planning to commitment with you. Okay? Marriage involved. Magpapakasal. So, I have a plan for us. So, yes, hold on in this connection kasi may plano yung person mo na kayo ay mag-iisang dibdib. Yes. Kasi siguro yung iba dito na siguro hindi mo nararamdaman yung person mo, again, you might be questioning na, mahal mo ba talaga ako? Or is this connection have a future for us? Yes, there is a future for the two of you. Kaya lang yung person is like focusing on their career for the future. Yes. May pagpaplano yung person mo na mabuo itong connection ninyo. Na maglonglas kayong dalawa, na kaya kanyang buhayin, na may that you can rely on this person. And your person wants to help you. Your person wants to help this connection na mag-evolve, na magkaroon ng happy ending sa inyong dalawa. Yung iba naman sa inyo, kahit na there's a separation the two of you, magkukross ang landas ninyo. There's a chance na someone is going to propose ng new beginning, friendship, or may mag-apology sa inyo dito. There could be like, kung ikaw itong nananakit, then your person deserve apology from you if ikaw itong nananakit or nasaktan mo siya. You both deserve closure, a proper closure. You know? If you are still stuck, kasi meron itong na-stuck dito. So, alamin natin, bakit ka hold on in this connection. Okay? Kasi meron dito, 'di ba? Confirm na yung iba, hold on in this connection kasi your person have plans for your future, for the two of you na magkaroon kayo ng happy ending at magkaroon kayo ng pag-iisang dibdib or magpapakasal, marriage involved. Yes, hold on to that. At meron itong hold on kasi your person is planning on coming or reaching out na magkaroon ka ng proper closure because you deserve it. And that's why the two of you are still stuck in this connection. Yes. Yeah, you have been through a lot. This connection is not easy. Yeah, hindi madali itong connection ninyo. Meron kasi ditong nagkaroon ng age matters. Yes, maraming mga pagkakaiba sa inyo. Parang sa personality kasi when it comes to sa edad may isa dito childish, meron naman ditong napaka matured. So parang I'm getting the energy na you are dealing with these ages sa edad ninyo. Parang mas minamatter ninyo yung edad dahil sa personality magkakaiba. So hindi talaga madali. Yeah, hindi madali ang sitwasyon ninyo because meron ditong personality is different. Yeah, malaki ang difference ng personality ninyo and sa edad din. So, yeah. So, again, kunin nyo lang, guys, kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate, no? Yes, we have here justice. This is the karma that you are getting. Yeah, justice, marriage. This could be involved sa contract. Maybe you have a soul contract with this person. So, talagang magkukross ang landas ninyo ng person na ito. So, hold on, guys. You will be receiving justice. Meron ditong mag-uusap kayo or meron ditong conflict, Meron ditong pag once na magkikita ka ng person mo, if right now, separation, walang pag-uusap, if one day, if the time is right, mga kapatid, pagka both of you are ready na mag-usap na, it has to be, kailangan talaga kalmado, Kasi siguro, at this moment, meron pa ditong hindi pa nakapag-move on, na masakit pa rin, parang gustong manapak. Di ba kanina, sabi ko parang may gustong ditong manapak. Siguro at this moment, if ever na mag-uusap man kayo, hindi rin mapupunta sa tamang paraan. You know what I mean? Kasi meron ditong, para saan pa na mag-uusap kayo? Magsisigawan lang din. Meron ditong magsisigawan lang din. Meron ditong anong energy ba yun? Anong ibig sabihin ng may meaning na it's like counting their blessings or it's like isa dito sa inyo or pagka nagkausap kayo, nagkakaroon kayo ng time na magkita o mag-usap din lang din at this moment, hindi pa rin mapupunta sa tama or it's not the right time yet na mag-usap kayo at this moment kasi nga, magkakaroon din ng physical abusing or mentally or magkakaroon din ng yung hindi magandang sasabihin sa iyo. Or same thing to you, hindi rin magandang sasabihin mo sa kanya. You know what I mean? Na ito magandang nagawa ko sa iyo, ito ganyan. Ikaw naman, syempre nagagalit ka din kasi your person is counting on what they did to you or yung mga tulong na binibigay sa iyo. Yung ganon. It's like they're counting their blessings, something like that. Hindi ko masabi yung words or yung tamang words para dyan. And you know what I mean. So, siguro at this moment, hindi pa right time na mag-uusap kayo kasi parehas pa kayong hindi kalmado yung iba sa inyo dito. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, and again, if this is you, mga kapatid, pile 1 na hindi pa time para mag-usap kayo, hindi pa time para magkaayos pa kayo, again, when the time na sabihin natin na move on na, okay? Move on sa hatred. Pag once kasi na nakalimutan mo na yung hatred, or na-forgive mo na yung person mo, kalimutan yung mga pasakit, or physical abusive, or yung mga painful words from your person or from one another, pag once nakalmado na kayo, then yes, magkakaroon kayo ng proper communication and a proper closure. So, still, hold on if you wanted this closure, a proper closure, at ito ay darating din sa tamang oras. Pag once na kayo ay nakapag-move on na from that painful and hindi malimutang pangyayari. Whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Okay? So, hold on. If you are still waiting for this closure, yes, that closure is coming at the right time. Pag kayo ay nakapag-move on na and ready na to face one another. At yung iba naman sa inyo, if you are currently in a situation na with your person, parang hindi mo feel na mahal ka ba talaga ng person mo, parang siguro nababagot ka na, again, your person have a plan for the two of you na mag-evolve itong sitwasyong ito. So, hold on, kapatid. Yes. Wag lang atat ng atat, even if you are stuck in this situation, parang walang pagbabago, again, your person is focus on your future, focus on their career, their finances, para magkaroon ng balance itong sitwasyon nito at magkaroon ng again, mahal na mahal ka ng person mo, especially if you are currently in a relationship with your person right now. Yes, marami siyang pagpaplano sa inyong dalawa. So, hold on in this situation kasi both of you parehas kayong inlababo ng person mo. Again, even if sometime na parang kulang sa pansin, parang kulang ka sa parang walang pagbabago, again, mahal na mahal ka ng person mo. You just have to hold on in this situation. Yeah, and believe with your person na mahal ka niya. Siguro your person is just like not expressive, ano. Yeah. So, let's move on na. Advice na from the universe. Spirit, can you just your final advice for our pile number 1, please? Passion, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present and enjoy. Enjoy the love, kapatid. Especially if you are with your person at this moment, this is one of your blessings that the universe giving you. Okay? Transformation. Your relationship with one another is about to deepen. So talagang mas magiging malalim pa ang inyong sitwasyon or yung pagmamahalan ng person mo, especially if you are currently with your person together. Kung kayo ay kasalukuyang nagsasama, love conquers and transform all things. So kahit na anong pagsubok, yan ay isa sa mga challenges ninyo. Hold on. Hold on lang, mga kapatid. Lalong-lalo kayo ay magkasama ng person mo. Ganun talaga, may mga struggle at kaya nyo yan malampasan. So, enjoy being loved. Enjoy this passion. And this is one of the gift from the universe for you to enjoy being loved, enjoy being in love. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang, mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito at sa file na napili ninyo. Again, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo dito sa any of my tarot reading videos. Nakaka-appreciate po ito. I love you guys. Bye! Hello, pile number 2. Sa pumili ng ating pile number 2, hold on or move on. Okay? Even na yung iba dito kahit wala ng karelasyon, or maybe you are dealing with a person na there's a distance, you hindi ka pa sure kung mag-hold on pa ba sa sitwasyong ito. So that's why you open this video, it happened na siguro yung iba dito parang it happened na lumabas sa YouTube Reels mo or sa mga notification mo. Then again, maybe you have, it's meant for you na mapanood itong video na ito. So again, this is timeless and whenever you watch this video, it happened na siguro may mensahe para sa iyo dito. Lalo-lalo na kung ikaw ay stuck sa sitwasyon ito and maybe this is the right time na ma-receive itong sagot na you have been dealing with. Okay? So, first things first, tanungin mo natin sa universe kung anong dapat mong malaman or anong mensahe ng person mo ngayon. Okay. Spirit Guide Angels, pile number 2. Ano ang dapat nilang malaman ng ating pile number 2 from the person in their mind? Okay. I can't stop thinking about you, so your person's still thinking about you. Don't forget about me. Oh, your person is like worrying about you. Don't forget about your person, kapatid. Pile number 2. Alright. Let's get 2 more. Spirit Guide Angels, what do need, ano pang dapat nilang malaman at this moment ng person nila? I'm getting that your person is so sweet, kapatid. Caring, napaka-caring. Having a fight with you is my biggest fear. So again, your person doesn't want to fight with you. Yan ang kinakatakutan niya. Hindi siya masaya pagka ikaw'y galit sa kanya. Ayaw niyang makalaban mo siya. I'm only attracted to you sexually. So meron ditong you might be dealing with a person na talagang alam mo na. Your person's really like mahilig sa kantutan pagdating sa iyo. My love for you is not deep enough. So again, you might be dealing with somebody that it's not enough. Hindi pa talaga as in na malalim, or I'm getting like hindi pa siya to the highest level. Parang hindi pa siya ready sa commitment. That's what the energy that I'm getting for you. Yung iba sa inyo. So again, general reading po ito. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate mga kapatid, ha? Huwag po kayong magalit at huwag kayong bitter. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Hindi po ito private reading, ha? Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, ano pa? Ano pa ang dapat malaman ng ating pile number 1 from the person? Ano pa, Spirit Guide Angels? Hintayin mo ako. Oh, meron itong I've been thinking about you, don't forget about me, and wait for me. Aking mahal. Ano ba yon? Si April Boy Regino ba yon? So baka itong kantang ito ay para sa inyo, kapatid. So I'm not sure about the whole music. Okay. So siguro maybe you are dealing with a person who likes to listen about April Boy Regino or something about that music. So research nyo yung hintayin mo ako or wait for me from April Boy Regino. Ano ba yan? Ano pa, Spirit Guide Angels? Okay. Dami niyang gustong sabihin. But anyway, ano pa? Ano pang dapat malaman ng ating pile number 2? Ano ba yan? Ang dami niya talagang gustong sabihin. Alright, we have here, hindi pa tayo tapos. So again, hindi pa tayo tapos. Siguro may nag-end dito sa inyong dalawa. And your person still holding on to, in this connection na hindi pa kayo tapos. Nasaktan talaga ako sa ginawa mong pang-aasar. Maybe your person is very, I'm getting like immature. Maybe you're dealing with a person na napaka-immature, pile number 2. And siguro meron itong na-offend. Your person might, siguro ikaw itong napaka-teaser. Mahilig mang joke, and then you know what I mean, yung iniinis mo yung tao, and yes, your person hit that, or talagang nasaktan siya sa sinabi mo or sa ginawa mo, kaya hindi pa siya tapos sa iyo. meron dito magre-revenge, ano, o siguro ikaw ito. Okay, so again, minsan nagkakapalit-palit yung energy. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate, or kasi minsan This could be your energy or this could be your person's energy. Okay, so ito naman is from the person na minahal kita pero hindi mo lang alam. Oh, meron tong hidden love, secret love. So your person, maybe siguro dito wala kayo naging, you might be dealing with the person na siguro crush mo lang ito. Yes. And yes, the same thing. Crush ka rin ng person mo, meron siyang tinatagong lihim. Yeah. Lihim na pag-ibig. Anong kanta ba yun? Di ba nasabi ko na yun sa ibang reading? Yung kay Antoinette Toss. Meron akong tinatagong lihim. Ano ba yun? Or meron din akong kanta dito na nakukuha ko na, ano ba yun? Yung kay Julina din. Bakit pa parang narinig ko lagi yung boses ni Julina Magdangal? Or this could be you na mahilig ka sa kanta ni, or mga tugtog na Julina Magdangal. Or siguro yung boses mo maala Julina Magdangal. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakrosinate, ano? Okay, minahal kita ng tapat. Kalimutan mo na ako. Oh. Ang bilis mo naman nakapag-move on. Okay. So, your person think na nakapag-move on ka na, no? Siguro, again, you might be dealing with a person na there's a separation. Hindi na kayo. Breakup na kayo. Meron pa hindi pa tayo tapos. Nakikita niya na ang bilis mo naman nakapag-move on, parang wala lang nangyari. Minahal mo ba talaga ako? Kalimutan mo na ako? Okay. Minahal kita ng tapat. Wala kang utang na loob. So, meron ditong galit na galit. Parang, kasi para sa kanya, binuhos niya lahat ng binigay na tulong, financially, emotionally. And then, parang nakikita niya na, wow, parang wala lang yung ginawa ko sa iyo. Parang ang bilis mo naman nakapag-move on. Parang wala lang. Yeah. So parang suntok sa hangin. Ano yung kantang suntok sa hangin? Yeah, nakukuha ko yung suntok sa hangin. But again, parang nasuntok siya yung ego. Yeah. I'm getting like you might be dealing with a person na napaka-ma-pride. Sana ikaw ay magbalik. So your person is still holding on to you. Hindi pa siya nakapag-move on. Na sana ikaw ay magbalik. Again, a mixed energy tayo dito ha. Meron ditong you might be dealing with just your crush. Meron ditong, you might be dealing with your separation. May breakup separation na nangyari. This could be your past person. Yeah. Pile number 2. Okay, so alamin na natin, hold on or move on na from the situation. And then alamin natin kung bakit, and then the advice. Alright, Spirit, gonna just pile number 2. Whoever choose pile number 2, yes or no. Yes, meaning hold on. No means move on. Okay? Our Spirit Guardian Angels, ano ang sagot ng ating pile number 2 sa kanilang katanungan? Yes, move on, hold on, or no, move on. Just one message please, or one card for pile number 2. Okay? We have here yes. Yes, siguro lately ito yung laman ng isip mo, kapatid. Okay. Yes. Okay. You might be dealing with a wealthy person. Siguro ang dami mong struggle kasi meron ditong status difference. Maybe your person is, meron ditong langit ka, lupa ako. Wow. Yung ganong story ng love life. Langit ka, lupa ako. So, kaya itong sitwasyong ito, nagkakaroon ng breakup or I'm getting the energy na kulang sa anong tawag doon, kulang sa confident. You know what I mean? Yes, meron itong low esteem, kulang sa confident kasi meron itong langit ka, lupa ako, mayaman ka, mahirap lang ako. Yeah, boss ka, trabahante lang ako. Yung ganong energy. Yeah, that's the energy that I'm getting. That might be your current situation right now that you're dealing, kapatid. Okay, yung iba sa inyo dito. Yeah. Okay, so, yes, standing up for beliefs, fighting your corner, protective, defensive, determined, challenging, opposing, stamina, holding your own, or taking high road, maintaining control, or territorial. So again, yes, you need to control, guys, maybe you've been siguro lately, no, lalo kung crush mo lang ito, you've been holding on or controlling, sinusubukan mo makontrol itong nararamdaman mo. Especially kung nakikita mo itong person mo, yes, parang nakakaroon ka ng parang nagiging static. Yun ba yung term na yun? Yung uh, nagkakaroon ka ng froze na pakiramdam, yung hindi ka makakagalaw, or yung pananalita na hindi, oo, yung gano'n. Yeah, so kasi yung nararamdaman mo parang to the highest level, yung grabe talagang nararamdaman mo sa taong ito. So nag-o-overflow yung nararamdaman mo, o parang sasabog na yung dibdib mo, or sasabog na yung utak mo, yung ulo mo sa kakaisip sa person na ito, ano? So yes, grabe to the highest level yung nararamdaman mo sa taong ito, and that's why you are still stuck. Yes, so ito yung laging laman ng isipan mo, itong person mo. And that's why parang napapaisip ka, should I stay in this connection? Should I stay with my crush, or move on na ako? Kasi alam mo na, langit siya, lupa lang ako, manager siya, amo siya, ako, ito lang. So again, you are dealing with your, someone here in this pile number 2, dealing with their low esteem, or walang confidence sa sarili. Yes. So, your person might be like boss energy, mayaman, yeah, may status sa buhay. Yes, that's also that parang nagkakaroon ka ng discourage sa sitwasyong ito. Kaya parang iniisip mo na, hindi naman ako magusto ng taong ito. Hindi naman parang out of I think parang out of the league. Wala ka compare sa iba, no? So that's the energy that I'm also getting from pile number 2. Okay, so alamin natin kung the reason. Okay, Spirit Guide Angels. Pile number 2. Okay, bakit ba sila mag-hold on pa sa sitwasyong ito? Bakit ba? What's the reason? Bakit pa mag-hold on pa sila? Give me the answer. Okay. Yes. You guys wants freedom. Meron ditong gusto na ng freedom, ano? So, sumasakit na ng ulo mo. So, meron ditong nahirapan ka makatulog. Alright. This could be, you might be dealing with your family, it's like a baby daddy, or ama ng mga anak, or nanay ng mga anak mo. This could be your partner. Maybe you are, I'm also getting the energy that this could be your current partner, kapatid, or this could be your ex-partner. Meron ditong ex-partner and current partner. This could be your ex-husband, tatay ng mga anak mo, or ina ng mga anak mo, or this could be your current situation dealing right now. I'm also getting like you might be dealing with a childish person. Okay. So again, hold on, especially if this is your ama ng iyong mga anak. Yes, kung ito ay yung ama o ina ng iyong mga anak, hold on in this situation. Because, yes, there will be a challenges. Nahirapan ka makatulog. Maybe your person is like manipulative, controlling. And that's why meron itong defensive. Okay? You are defending yourself. You are defending your, meron itong ego. Yes. Yes, meron itong yung energy na lagi ka nag-aawa ng partner mo. So again, kasi tayo guys, when it comes to this lifetime, meron tayong mga challenges, especially when it comes to marriage. So the answer for you here, if you are currently with your person, hold on. Kung kayo ay in a relationship with this person, ama or ina ng iyong mga anak, hold on. This is just part of our growth. Yes, may mga challenges, may hindi pagkakaintindihan, may pagka-childish yung person mo, may maldito yung person mo. Again, it's part of growth. It's part of this relationship challenge. Because at the end of the day, you will be having this happy family with your person. Wealth. Siguro magastos yung person mo, kaya minsan parang hindi mo kaya kung how to control the situation, how to live your life to the fullest with your with a happy family. Kaya minsan parang nakakaroon ka ng kulang sa tulog. Kaya minsan parang gusto mo ng freedom. Again, hold on. And continue on manifesting, kapatid, pile number 2. To have this happy family. Kasi the more na positibo ang iniisip mo sa partner mo, and i-pray mo yung partner mo. Pray in this connection. Ipanalangin mo sa connection ito na sana ay magkaroon ng magandang resulta. Happy family. Healthy living. Kailangan talaga ng kalmadong pag-uusap. Sabi dito, nakukuha ko rin, kalma lang. Kalma lang. Even na minsan annoying na yung person mo, meron dito ka parang gusto mo ng freedom, gusto mong kamawala, again, kalma ka lang. Ipag-pray mo na lang sa Panginoon na magkaroon ka ng happy family, happy ending. Yeah. Kausapin mo ng maayos yung partner mo na ito yung gusto mo. Na maging masaya kayo, na mamuhay itong pamilyang ito na maging masaya. Less problem na magkaintindihan kayo. Yes, may mga struggle. Ganun talaga. Walang perpektong relasyon or relationship, mga kapatid. Lahat talaga may mga struggle. Nasa sa inyo yan kung paano nyo i-handle itong sitwasyong ito. So again, stay strong. Lalong-lalo na kung may mga anak na kayo ng person mo. And protect your family. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, kayo lang din ang magkakasama. Kayo pa rin at the end of the day. Live your life to the fullest with your children. Maybe you guys have this lack of get together. Parang meron ditong kulang sa pagsasama. Siguro nagkaroon ng distance or again, kung gusto mo ng happy family, talk to your person. Yes. Because at the end of the day, kayo pa rin ang magsasama ng person mo. Kayo pa rin sa huli. Yan. Okay? Kasi meron itong nahirapan ka na. Yes, ganun talaga. May mga struggle talaga sa relasyon ito. Or even sa marriage. I'm saying sa marriage. You just have to collaborate. Pag-usapan yung mabuti. Because at the end of the day, gusto nyo rin, parehas naman kayo na gusto ng happy family. Then, pagplanuhan ninyo, hindi nyo kailangan na magsigawan, na magtatagisan ng sama ng loob. Protect your family. Protect your children. Parehas lang kayo ng gusto. Gusto ninyo na maprotektahan ang pamilya ninyo. Then do it. Hindi nyo kailangan ng away. Hindi nyo kailangan na magsigawan pa. Okay? And that's also the advice for you here. Nakukuha natin ng advice. So again, hold on. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, yung mga crush lang, sumasakit na yung ulo mo, sa kakaisip sa person na ito, meron itong yes, crush ka ng crush mo. Yeah. I'm also getting like focus on your, focus ka muna sa career mo. Yeah. And it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to stay in this connection. Kasi meron itong freedom. You are free. Again, as a reminder, guys, we have a freedom to have crush kung sino yung magustuhan natin. Kung sino yung piliin natin. So enjoy this feeling, enjoy this, yung na-in love ka. Yeah. Enjoy that feeling, kapatid. If you want to hold on in this with your crush, go ahead. Kasi, yan, that makes you happy. That gives you like freedom, or that gives you like enlightening your soul, your body, your emotion. Keep going. If this makes you happy to keep thinking about your crush, then go ahead. You are free to do so. Okay? Okay, final advice for you. Pile number 2. Final advice, please. So, romance, Cupid arrow strikes. So, again, natamaan ka talaga ni Cupido. New beginning, a new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. So, again, live your dreams passionately. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Everybody have rights to start a new beginning. Especially whenever you watch this reading, kapatid, if you are in a relationship with your person, hold on in this connection. Okay? Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Pag-usapan nyo na maigi ng person mo, you want to have a happy family with him or with her. Okay? And enjoy life, enjoy the children, enjoy this happy moment, enjoy this feeling. Yeah. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. So again, kailangan talaga na may paghihilom yung sakit or mga puot, ano? So, kailangan talaga move on. Yes, forgive your partner. You know what I mean? Para itong relasyon ito or itong sitwasyon na ito, especially if you're dealing with your partner, current partner, kailangan talaga ng healing. Yes. Forgive and forget. This is your partner because at the end of the day, kayo pa rin. Happy family. You two want this happy family. Yun lang talaga. May mga struggle. May mga challenges. So hold on. Yeah. Kailangan may healing. I'm also getting like this. This could be your ex-partner. Kailangan talaga, yes, hold on. Hold on and move on. Medyo medyo struggle tayo dito. Yes. Hold on in this situation because, yes, mahirap. May mga challenges. Kahit na hindi na kayo nagkaroon ng separation sa sitwasyon ng person mo, ex-husband, ex-wife, there still need connection. Gawin nyo ang tamang paraan para maging masaya itong mga anak ninyo. Para may bigay ninyo ang tama suporta para sa inyong mga anak. Yes, you want, meron ditong, yes, may mga anak kayo, gusto mo ng freedom, kung wala lang kayong anak, matagal mo nang ayaw kausapin itong person mo. Again, nakakaroon pa rin kayo ng soul contract sa person mo is because of your children. Kasi may mga batang involved dito. Ito ay para sa mga tao na separation na, no? Ex-husband, ex-wife. So you need this time to heal. And a new beginning will start sa inyong dalawa. Again, para sa inyo na lang is parenting. Maging magulang sa inyong mga anak. Kahit nawala na kayong connection ng person mo as a lover. Because at the end of the day, the two of you are still a family. So hold on pa rin. Pamilya pa rin kayo ng person mo. Magpamilya pa rin kayo. Kasi may mga anak kayo. You are the family of your children. Okay? So, kailangan talaga may heal. Yes, healing. Hindi mo na kailangan na mas stranded pa rin sa connection na physically abusive or emotionally nasaktan ka. Napaka-controlling ng person mo. Again, it's up to you. Again, you need healing and forgiveness sa puso. I'm getting like, maybe until now, that's why you are dealing this painful. Masakit pa rin sa'yo. Maybe your person's already have family to someone else. And para sa'yo, masakit pa rin. Kasi parang ang saya-saya na ng person mo sa ibang pamilya. And ito ka pa rin. Umiiyak ka pa rin. Nasasaktan ka pa rin. Again, guys, slowly, isipin mo na lang mga anak mo. Keep moving forward. And yung ibaling mo yung isipan mo in a positive way. Yung mga positibong pag-iisip na yung mga anak mo, yung mga dreams mo, yeah. Yun na lang, at least. And hold on. Hold on because one day, you two will be collaboration. May working together as a family, as the whole thing for the children, for the sake of the children. Ganun na lang. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Bye! Hello, Pile 3. Kamusta kayong lahat? Sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So, pile number 3, hold on or move on. Okay? So, straight na tayo sa message ng person mo. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Meron ditong energy na bilisin mo na. Huwag nang patagalan pa. Atat ang ating pile number 3. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, ano ang dapat nilang malaman o nararamdaman ng person nila ngayon? person on their mind, how they feel to our pile number 3. Ano ang nararamdaman ng ating person ng pile number 3? Okay. I don't deserve you. Okay. Two souls with but a single thought. Two hearts that beat as one. Oh. So this is like a soulmate. Yes, parehas lang kayo ng nararamdaman. Okay. Ano pa trigger din? I'm getting like your person's really romantic and caring. I want to have kids with you. Oh. Is this love or am I dreaming? You know the song that, is this love or am I dreaming? This is the love you are looking for. Whatever is that, hindi ko alam kung anong title ng kantang iyan. Again, research na lang yung kantang iyan. Baka makakaresulate kayo sa kantang iyan. Or baka may mensahe para sa inyo na malaman ninyo. Alright, Spirit Guardian, just what else? Ano pang dapat nilang malaman? Pile number 2. 3. Maybe from pile number 2, also choose pile number 3. Kalimutan mo na ako. Yes, parang meron ditong pile number 2. Manyakis lang ako dahil sa iyo. Mapera ka kasi. Again, similar talaga to sa pile number 2. Kung kayo ay drawn sa pile number 2, go ahead and watch pile number 2. Iniisip pa rin kita. Iniisip mo pa rin kaya ako. Okay. Kung ito lumalabas talaga ito. Sorry, hindi kita kayang buhayin. Mahirap lang ako. So again, meron talaga ditong langit ka, lupa ko. It really reminds me from pile number 2. Sorry, ang duwag ko. Wow. Napakaduwag ng person mo. Maybe you're dealing with a person with a low esteem. Kaya give up siya sa sitwasyong ito. Sinadya kong masaktan kita. So, kaya nakapag-break up itong person mo, parang biglang nagbago, is because the person really sinadya niya. Kaya nga, you might be dealing with a low esteem person. Masyadong mababa yung niya sa sarili niya. Kaibigan lang pala. Maybe you're dealing with a person na nagkakaroon kayo ng friendship, or maybe there's like or I should say, friend zone. Okay? Siguro na friend zone itong person mo, na friend zone mo, or siguro ikaw itong na friend zone ka. So again, kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate, dahil ito ay general reading. Hindi po ito private reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi man, wag lang sanang bitter. Okay? Kung if ever na hindi kayo nakaka-resonate sa buong reading na ito, then choose another different pile. Alright, so move on na tayo. Pile number 3. Spirit Guardian Angels, again, move on or hold on. Yes means hold on, no means move on. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, pile number 3, hold on or move on. Okay, should they move on or hold on? Meron tayong maybe. Maybe or no. Okay, so meron tayo itong you guys are dealing with could be air sign. Ano yung hold on. You could be dealing the moon. I'm getting like Pisces. Yeah, air sign, Pisces. Yeah. I'm getting like your person still struggling on. Meron itong third party. Yeah. I'm getting the energy that your person might be struggle pa siya kung sino sa inyo ang pipiliin niya. Undecided pa yung person mo. Maybe there's something like your person need clarity. Or this could be you. Undecided ka pa kung sino sa kanilang pipiliin mo. Or this could be you na ang daming struggle. Maraming struggle sa connection ito. You know what I mean? Siguro may mga taong involved. Yeah. Or another family involved. Kasi meron ditong, di ba nasabi ko, third party. Yeah. Okay. Alright. No means move on. Maybe either move on or hold on. Kasi meron ditong struggle. Hindi pa sure kung, hindi pa clear. So again, Page of Swords. Someone here is trying to clear the path. Yeah, I'm getting like number 31. You could be at age 31 or 34. Okay? So, alamin natin kung pile number 3. Hold on. Ba nagamit ko ba ito barang ito kanina? Hold on. Ito pala yung pile ninyo. No? Pile number 3. Ito yung barahan ninyo. Hold on. Hold on. Ano ba yan? Pasensya na. Alright, pile number 3, spirit guardian. I'm also getting like someone here watching is very clumsy. Hindi maingat. Okay. This could be a sign of na ikaw ito, kapatid, pile number 3. At least nakuha natin yung energy mo. Lagi kang nadadapa or natapilok. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Childish. I'm getting like childish. Napaka-childish ni pile number 3 yung iba dito. Okay. Our spirit guardian angels, why move on? Unahin muna natin yung move on. Bakit po ba move on ang ating pile number 3? Knight of Swords. Okay, move on kasi pagagalitan ka lang. Again, this could be like pagagalitan ka lang ng mga magulang. Meron ditong may di gusto against sa sitwasyon ito. So, mag-move on na because I'm getting like energy na siguro sa pamilya ng person mo, against sila sa'yo, or this could be your family na against sa person mo. So, mag-move on ka na. Ano pa, spirit guardian angels? Yeah. Kaya nga may mga struggle, di ba? So, mag-move on ka na yung iba sa inyo dito because meron itong mapera ka. Move on ka na kasi may mapera. Again, ikaw siguro itong mapera or your person could be mapera. Yeah. Or siguro, you might be dealing the person na kung ikaw itong mapera or baka ikaw itong gagamitin lang din. So, move on na because you might be getting an advice from your person, from your friends, colleagues, a family member. Ikaw lang nakakaalam. Sabihin natin, move on ka na kasi gagamitin ka lang ng person mo. Piperahan ka lang ng person mo. Okay, yung iba sa inyo dito. Alright, what else, spirit courageous? Bakit move on? Yes. Meron itong the devil or I'm getting like you might be dealing with a person na again, move on na because this person is really toxic. You might be dealing with the controlling, evil thoughts, evil mind ng person mo, controlling, kinokontrol ka, especially pagdating sa pera. You might be dealing with a user, yung iba sa inyo dito, kaya sinasabi dito, again guys, yes, hindi pa clear sa'yo, nahirapan ka pa, meron itong hindi mo kasi nakikita yung totoong kulay ng person mo. The people around you sees who your person truly is. You know what I mean? Sinasabihan ka na nila, nagbibigay sila ng advice sa'yo na ayaw namin sa kanya kasi pinapirahan ka lang, ayaw namin sa kanya kasi napakasinungaling ng person mo. Yes, guys. Meron dito kasing iba sa inyo dito, you are being blinded. Di ba sabi nila, love is blind and this is one of you. Pile number 3. You are being blinded. Hindi mo nakikita yung totoong person mo, yung personality niya, yung mga ginagawa niya. You could be dealing with a person na manuloko, pinapirahan ka lang, or napaka-controlling. So again, if ikaw itong pinagsasabihan ng mga tao sa paligid mo, then follow your instinct, not just your heart. Okay? Ikaw lang nakakaalam, kapatid, so move on na. Kalimutan mo itong taong ito kasi hindi maganda ang intensyon niya para sa iyo. So, ito naman sa maybe. Okay. Alright, maybe. Kahit nasabihin natin, na hindi ka naman mayaman, but again, this person could be a liar. You might be dealing with a person na ang daming lihim, controlling, bossy. Yeah. Okay. Sinungaling, manggagamit. Alright. Alright. Sabihin natin, spirit guardian angels, bakit maybe? Ano itong maybe? Let us know bakit itong maybe. Kasi I'm getting like maybe, move on ka na. Maybe yes, hindi pa. The Emperor. Okay. Meron ng, siguro, I'm getting like, maybe you are dealing with this could be your husband or a boss. I'm also getting like, this person is very protective. That's why hindi ka pa nakapag-move on sa taong ito kasi nakikita mo na tinutulungan ka niya. Tell me more about the person. Tell me more about the person for pile number 3. Maybe. Bakit maybe? Hindi pa sure. Kasi hindi ka pa sure. Dahil mahal na mahal mo tong taong ito, kaya ayaw mo mag-move on sa sitwasyong ito. Hirap ka pang makapag-move on. Dahil mahal na mahal mo tong taong ito. You might be dealing with a hard-headed person. Kaya lang, yung feeling na nararamdaman mong mahal na mahal ka niya, pinuprotektahan ka niya. Yeah, that's the energy that I'm getting for you, pile number 3. Okay, tell me more. Tell me more about the person. Kaya maybe, hirap na hirap ang ating pile number 3 makapag-desisyon, ano? Again, you need to open your feelings, kapatid. Yeah. Pakiramdaman mo ang iyong intuition. Follow your intuition. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay nahihirapan, maybe. Yeah. Tingnan mo muna yung mga galawan niya. Kasi karamihan sa inyo dito, nagbubulag-bulagan. Dahil mas nauuna yung pag-ibig kaysa sa intuition. Follow your gut feeling. Mga kapatid. Yeah, your person might be a gambler. Baka mahilig ito sa pagbaraha, mahjong, kung ano man to. Or napupunta sa mga bar-bar. Yeah. Pakiramdam nyo muna, kapatid. And maybe that's why nahihirapan kang makapag-move on or nahihirapan ka kung paano ba? Move on na or hold on. Again, most likely dito, follow your gut feeling, not just your heart. Yes, you love this person, but there's something behind the scene hindi mo pa nakikita. Yung iba sa inyo dito. Yung iba naman, move on ka na. Kasi nakikita mo na yung mga red flag. Naririnig mo na yung mga red flag, yung mga signs sa person mo. And yes, you don't have no reason for you to hold on in this toxic situation, toxic person. You are dealing with a toxic person, pile number 3, yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Sa iba naman dito, kung tinatanong mo hold on or move on sa person na ito, again, sa maybe, pakiramdam mo yung gut feeling mo if this is the right person for you. Yeah, especially if you are dealing with this third party. Kasi meron ditong, you might be dealing with a person na nagpupunta sa bar, dealing with another person. So again, pakiramdam mo yung gut feeling mo, hindi lang yung puso mo. You have to see it through. Do some research about your person, and then you can hold on or move on from this connection. Okay? All right, final advice, please. When it comes to matters of the heart, there's no right or wrong. Every choices you make expand your understanding of life and love. So again, there's no right and wrong. Lahat tayo nagmamahal. Even if sometime mali ang nagustuhan natin or napuntahan natin. Again, there's something about like you have to understand. May dapat kang matutunan dito sa mga sitwasyong ito. Sa mga napili mo, tama man o mali. Okay? So, I love you guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Sana ay nakaresonate kayo sa reading na ito, pile number 3. I hope to see you guys on my next reading and maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dito. Bye!